Hi everybody, it's Nunu, and my purpose in this video is to introduce you to Canvas's Immersive Reader. This is software that will read the text to you in Pages and in certain assignments. So let's learn how the Immersive Reader works. The first step is simply to click on the Immersive Reader, and it will always be in the upper right corner of the screen if it is available. So let's click on it. Immediately I'm taken into the text and I see that it has become oversized for easy reading, but I can also have the text read to me. So I would come down here to the play icon and simply click on it to have the text read to me.
Week 1 Objectives. Overview. In this module, you will orient yourself to Canvas and our classroom and envision a bright academic future for yourself.
Okay, so I clicked on the play icon again to stop the immersive reader. If I want to return into the assignment, I simply click on the back arrow here to exit. Okay, so let me click on Next in my classroom, and I see another page with the immersive reader available to me. And let me click on Next again. And I come into a quiz and the immersive reader is not available to me. What can I do? Well, I can come over to the syllabus to number 12, DSPNS and ADA rights, and I can contact Disabled Student Programs and Services. Here is the email and the phone number. And if the immersive reader is ever not available to me, it's not in the upper right corner of the screen, I can simply contact DSPNS, and DSPNS will accommodate me and make alternate arrangements for me. So I hope that this video about the immersive reader has been interesting for you and exciting. It's exciting for me that we have this capability here. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm over here in inbox, and I keep my office hours of 1 to 3 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you need my help to accommodate you in this course with the reading, anything at all, please reach out to me.